This evening, we bring you the story of an act of bravery that saved 2 lives but could have ended tragically for the hero.
On the 22nd of July, Edward Miller took a leap of faith that could have ended in tragedy.
Yeah, man, that's the window that I jumped from the 3rd floor. You know, because there was no other way out, so I have to save myself at the same time.
Sometime after 11 in the morning, Mr. Miller went to the Victor Courts apartments off Manizal Road in St. Andrew to charge his phone. A teen next to the apartment he was in lit a stove to prepare breakfast for 2 girls, ages 4 and 6.
I heard a big explosion and the person was screaming out my name, so I rushed to see what was going on. When I reached out in the kitchen, I just see a fire. The person was panicked, you know, I did have to try to keep my cool. And then I realized that the kids were inside sleeping. So I had to rush inside and grab them up out of them sleep under my arm and run through the flame with them.
Mr. Miller says after rescuing the 2 children, it suddenly occurred to him that there's usually 3 children inside. So he braved the fire and went back in.
The thing about it, his mother left with him from the night before. Well, I wasn't recalling. So I went back in there for him. When I noticed that he wasn't there, by that time the fire, it's a cave in for me now away where I can't come back out. So that's what happened, why I had to take it through the window.
The 3rd child he went back to save was already admitted in hospital before the fire, but he died 11 days after. Mr. Miller broke his ankle because of the jump and now uses crutches. While sympathizing with his situation, the community applauds his efforts, some calling him a hero.
Well, he's a hero for real. He's a hero.
How do you think Jamaicans should rally? Do you think Jamaicans should rally around him?
Yes. When you have hero like these around here, good-hearted people, cause how many young youths would say, yo, somebody else in there and run back to save a life?
Mr. Edwards plays professional cricket for the Melbourne Cricket Club, but his injuries have put a spoke in his wheel. He said he would accept any help to get him back in the game.
Those gears are very expensive. So I didn't have the etc. like the helmet, a bat, you know, etc. etc. Because as I said, they are very expensive. So if I could get a complete gears bag, that would be a blessing. You understand? And if I could also get a contract.
Contract?
Meaning, you know, I can fly away and play, or even play for my country.
Kirk Wright, TVJ News.